Trying to get this thing back up and going. 101 inspection, want to check the car, all spark plug battery. We want to hear some, see some smoke. Let's do it. Carburetor's removed. Clean that out of there. You want to drain the gas out. Start over. See how that looks. Oh God. Sound a little righteous. So the 350 motherfucker. So we're working on 2019 Honda Rebel 500. Quick little accident. Fell over to the side. What happened ended up messing up the kickstand sensor. So every time you go in first gear and let go of the clutch, the bike's gonna shut off because it's indicating that this kickstand is down. So what I did was remove it, cut it off, bypassed it, put it back together. Now the bike is running with no problems. We're getting ready to tape it up, clean it up, and we're out of here. Me doing this dog sound. I brought him over here. Damn, pissed on the head. Time to do a chain adjustment. Look how loose that is. I'm gonna adjust that. Up and going. Let's see where we at with it. Another satisfied customer. What you talking about? Done till 5. We didn't even open the shop yet. Here we go. Yeah. Satisfied? Yeah. I know he is. That's right. Oh, you see it? That's beautiful.